Hey girl, is that a new car you pulled up in?
Yes, it is. I drove it off the lot last week. I'm so happy. You don't know how long I've been trying to get that car.
Wow, congrats. That's amazing. How'd you do it? Weren't you having some credit issues last week?
I was, but I was able to fix it all on my own with CredKred. I made my dispute letters to send to the credit bureaus and got some stuff taken off.
Nice.
Yep, my credit score went up 70 points in 1 month.
Wow, where do I sign up?
Do-it-yourself credit repair. All of the tools you need in one place with private, secure, and easy access. Visit credkred.com for more information.